I've got my car back. I've got my car back. I am beyond delighted. And more importantly, Jess passed the driving test this morning. So she's delighted as well. Oh man. I feel like I've forgotten how to drive. It's been a while. But I've just been speaking to Ian, the mechanic who's done it all. And he showed me the bits that came off it before it goes in the scrap bin. Bloody hell, the amount of work that lad's done is ridiculous. So hopefully this should see me right now for a good few years at least. Peace of mind. I know everything's as good as it can be. And for a 20-year-old car, it drives amazing. I feel like a kid at Christmas. It's absolutely amazing. It's only a car after all, but it's not. It's my independence. It's me legs. Silly. Us men do get attached to our cars, don't we? No, girls do as well, not being sexist. A lot of us fellas have an unhealthy connection to our cars. Right, I just want to get home, throw all my stuff in. We'll go and get it washed. Get the hoover out. It's not really dirty, it just needs a little bit of a hoover because there's been leaves and stuff on the mats. Fantastic. Isn't that some good news? And I've missed doing these little chats to camera in the car. So much so that I don't even remember how to do them properly. I'm just used to doing walks now. Can I get out? Of course I can, Malcolm. Bloody hell, it does drive well, this. And that's what I was told when I bought it. There's no such thing as a cheap Mercedes. There isn't. But it's nowhere near as bad as I expected, to be honest with you. I have spent a lot of money on it. But it's a 20-year-old car and almost everything that could be done has been done now. It should just be new tyres, new brake pads, just the stuff that gets used all the time. The service accessories, should just be stuff like that. Nothing major. Saying that, I live in Southport, so be a new suspension every 6 months because there's that many potholes. But yeah, buzzing, man, buzzing. Finish me cup of tea, calm down a little bit. Find out when Jess is coming round to mine. Because not only does she deserve a hug, so do I. And I'll need to go for my walk. What are we on here now? Shite. 5 to 4 in the blessed PM. I'll have to go out before I go out in the car, I think. Go for my walk, come back, take this and get it washed. Or do I go there now? Oh, I don't know. Probably better go back home first. Make sure my ma and dad don't think I've crashed. No relying on my dad. Which I've been thankful for, but I'm sick of it. He does long enough days as it is. He doesn't need to be waiting to take me to Tesco and back or whatever. So he's got both of us off his hands today. No longer has to teach my daughter anymore. She's passed. I've got my car back. You won't know what to do all this spare time now. Do you feel excited? It's so weird. You're a grown man, Ashcroft, you're a grown man. And I can empty the stuff from your room, the stuff that goes in the back of the car, all the cleaning materials, the tyre inflator, battery charger, all that stuff I've been tripping over for the last 2 weeks. Can go back in the car where they belong. Give me a bit of space in the room, in my room. Right, don't smash it off these vans. Haven't done this for a while, have we? Hi honey, I'm home. Well, I've got my cup of tea in the house. Let's go and get it sorted. And less than I expected. I mean, I bought a huge amount of the parts online. I had to get the subframe from Germany. So all told, it's cost me a fair bit of cash, to be honest. The work that was done, plus the little bits they had to buy, the extra bits, it's come to under £1,000, just under £1,000. I was expecting way more than that. And I think I paid 800 plus. Actually, it might have been £1,000 for the parts as well. So a £2,000 job. But the amount of stuff that's been changed on the underneath of this car is ridiculous. It's a 20-year-old car. It's fairly rust free, I would say. The body especially. And now the underneath, all the important parts are brand new. So I should have that peace of mind where it's not going to go knackered for a while at least. I am absolutely buzzing. Absolutely buzzing. Right, come on. Finish me cup of tea, take it, get it washed. Find out when Jess is coming round. We've got this.